guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing my BOXYCHARM, and here it is. So I got this a few days ago, but since my PO box isn't open on the weekends, I just had time to get it today, and today is Monday. So let's open it up.
Ta-da! So
here it is.
BOXYCHARM.
It comes with a card as usual, and this month's theme is breaking the ice. This is what it looks like, and I got variation number 22. I'm super excited. So the first thing that I see here, it is this Avant Chia Butter Rice brand Panthenol Polydesine H Radiance 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So I got this sleeping mask. I've never tried this brand before, so hopefully it is good and hopefully this works on sensitive skin. I'm not going to open up this product today because I am using 2 sleeping masks at the moment, so I will open this in the future and I will let you guys know how I like it. So this Avant Skincare 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask retails for $107, you guys. Holy crap, that's expensive, you guys. $107 for this little bottle right here. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna work really good. Okay, anyways, the next product that I got, it is a Pretty Vulgar, what is this? Undercover The Middle Ground Concealer. Cool. So I got this Pretty Vulgar concealer right here, and I'm super excited that I got this because the one that I have is almost gone, so this is like perfect timing. This Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer retails for $25. So I'm super excited. I'm going to open it up because I'm probably going to start using it sometime this week. And that's what the applicator looks like. It's just a regular applicator. I'm going to swatch it, hopefully. I don't know, this is like a foundation shade or something. I feel like this is too dark. I don't know. Look at that. Okay, you can't really see it. It kind of blends into my hand, but my hand is darker than my face. So I'm going to have to see if this works on my face. But if this is too dark for my under circles, I'm probably going to have to wear it as a regular concealer during summer. But I'm super excited to try this out. It looks like it's really full coverage. It covered my hand pores or hair follicles. I don't know what you call it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay, the next product that I see here, it is the Queen. What is this? Oh, so I got the Thick Skin Matte Liquid Lip Satin. So it is from the brand QVeen Studio. I've never heard of this brand either. I accidentally ripped it. But anyways, this is what the packaging looks like. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys could tell. So pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. QVeen. I thought it said Queen, but it says QVeen. And I got the shade Thick Skin, like I said before. So I'm going to open it up. And it's just a regular applicator. So I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, that's super pretty. So I'm not going to try this on my lips today, but this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. It's like a mauvey pink shade. It's like a pinkish peachy color, and it's super pretty. It's like perfect for spring or every day actually. So I'm super happy that I got this. So this QVeen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Satin retails for $17. So supposedly this liquid lipstick, it is a matte finish and it lasts up to 12 hours. So I'm super excited to see if it's true. Okay, the next product that I see here, it is a SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So it's a face exfoliator, and this is what it looks like. And we've already received something from SKIN&CO before, and it was a regular face wash. And I actually have it here. I haven't used it yet because I'm like working on finishing other products. But anyways, this is the one that we got last time. It is a SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. This is what we got last time. And this is the one that we got this time. So yeah, it's different. This is an exfoliator and this is just a cleansing cream. But anyways, I'm super excited to try this one because I love using exfoliators on my skin. I'm not going to open it because I'm using 2 other exfoliators. So once I'm done, I'll start using this one. So this SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage retails for $28. Okay, the last product here. It is the Ace Beauté Vintage Dawn Palette. Ta-da! I'm super excited for this eyeshadow palette. When they gave us an option to choose between Scarlet Dusk and Vintage Dawn, I couldn't decide because they looked so pretty, and so I decided to get this one for my BOXYCHARM. But then I saw Scarlet Dusk on Boxy pop up, so that's when I bought it. But anyways, in my BOXYCHARM I got the Ace Beauté Vintage Dawn. And if you guys haven't seen my eye looks that I created with the Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette, I will link it up here if you guys are interested. I did a palette bingo and I also did a first impression video, so you guys should go check that out. So this is what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. So this is what it looks like. I love all the pretty shades. The yellows, the orange, and the green. And of course the blues are so pretty. And the reason why I like this eyeshadow palette is because of the names. I'm going to read you off the names. So this one is Sun, Daybreak, Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid, Fade, Serengeti, or I don't know, Cactus, Sky, and Dew. So yeah, so beautiful. I'm obsessed and I can't wait to play with it. So maybe after this video I will film a look with this palette. So if you guys want to watch what look I create with this palette, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. So this Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette retails for $35. I wouldn't pay $35 for this. It's too expensive. So that is everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 full-size products. But anyways, let's see the total of this box.
Hey Google, what's $25 plus $34.99 plus $28 plus $107 plus $17?
The answer is 203 United States dollars and 99 cents.
Whoa, $203.99. That is a lot. So I'm really happy with everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM this month. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get? And just let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on all of these products? And so yeah, well, I'm going to end the video here because I'm going to be filming the Spanish BOXYCHARM unboxing video. So if you guys want to watch that, it's going to be linked up here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.